Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunaina. I am also from Telangana Social Welfare Degree College. I am working as a lecturer in microbiology. Actually, I hired from Social Welfare Degree College from Suryapet. But right now I am on deputation in Hyderabad College. That's all, sir. Thank you.
నా పేరు సత్యనారాయణ రెడ్డి. నేను రిటైర్డ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీ. నేను ఎక్కువ హెల్త్ మీద, రూరల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ మీద ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తాను.
Good morning to all. My name is Apparao. I am school assistant physical science working ZPHS Kuravi, acting as a district science officer, Mahabubad district.
నా పేరు సుబ్బారావు. I work in the field of water and climate.
నరసింహారెడ్డి, యూనిసెఫ్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు ఉమామహేశ్వర రెడ్డి. నేను ప్రకృతి పర్యావరణం మీద పనిచేస్తుంటాను. సార్ శిష్య పోటీలో నేను.
Good morning all. I am Dr. Maheshwar. I am scientist in ICMR, National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad, and also a family member of Council for Green Revolution and Grace. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. This is Dr. Suhasini, coming from Professor Jayashankar, Telangana State Agriculture University. I am an agricultural economist.
Madhavi from Telangana State Model School and Junior College, Palamakula, Shamshabad. I teach botany there. I am a PGT, postgraduate teacher.
I myself, Dr. D. Swapnasri, working as assistant professor in botany and in charge for biotechnology in Cluster University, Hyderabad.
Good morning to all. My name is Sampath Pantangi. I am research scholar CES.
Good morning to all. Myself, Maulna Rajesh. I am a PhD scholar at Center for Economic and Social Studies. I am working on climate change and agriculture. Thank you.
Priya Kumari from Telangana Mahindra Vishwavidyalaya, Koti, and also member of CES.
Madam,
my name is Lakshmi Prasanna. Recently I completed my post-graduation and I am part of CES.
Dr. Srinivas Reddy, scientist, Jayashankar Agricultural University. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Narendra, journalist.
Good morning. This is Siva Prasad, member CCR.
Dr. Indersen Reddy, pharmaceutical.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు లెనిన్ బాబు. నేను గాయకుడిని.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. నా పేరు రాజేశ్వర్. గత 20 ఏళ్ళుగా క్లైమేట్ చేంజ్ మీద పనిచేస్తున్నాను. ఈ టీం అందరితో కూడా అసోసియేట్.
నమస్తే అండి అందరికీ. డాక్టర్ కే తులసిరావు, డిప్యూటీ కన్జర్వేటర్ ఆఫ్ ఫారెస్ట్. I'm working on forest, wildlife, biodiversity, conservation, ecology, environment, and other aspects.
There was an article about Sir, and he was described as the Spider-Man. So, my name is Professor Purushottam Reddy. For the last 3 decades or even more, I have been working with Narasimha Reddy on this topic, and my friend Subbarao is there. Though everybody is very dear to me, but we travelled the longest distance, Narasimha, myself and Subbarao, on this subject.